Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
And this is RV East Coast. And today we have a new campground review for you.
Yes, we are talking about Pine Hill RV Park in Kutztown, PA.
Mm-hmm.
So we did a couple videos with my brother showing his kids their new camper.
Mm-hmm.
And in that video we were at Pine Hill Campground, but we never talked about it. So we thought we'd take a few minutes to share our experience at that campground. Yeah, it's a very small, simple campground. Not a lot of amenities, no pool, just a playground and a mini golf course. But like Eli said, very well manicured, beautiful little spot, and the location is what was really helpful, right?
Yeah, it's located. I don't remember the name of the highway that goes right next to the campground, but I'm gonna put the name down here on the description. Other big cities nearby are, I would say, maybe Allentown and Bethlehem. So what's to do in the campground?
So in the campground is a playground with, I remember there was like a train structure that our kids were playing on a lot. Sometimes it's nice to go to a small campground because our kids just walked around, played in the playground, enjoyed their time together. And we didn't really worry about them at all. Yeah.
The other thing they had was a small general store and a mini golf.
Yes.
And that's about it.
Yes. And the general store had ice cream, if I remember, which we partook of a few times, I'm sure. The mini golf was nice. We had a fun time with that.
Yeah.
So yeah, basic stuff in the campground. We definitely enjoyed our stay there. A great place to go if you're looking to relax because beautiful scenery.
Yeah, and there is a lot to do in the area, especially for, couples, like a little couple weekend getaway. Yeah, By the way, a little hello, shout out to, what is his Instagram name? Trail Running Yeti. Because he's the one that recommended this campground to us. So thank you for your service. We really appreciate it. He's a retired state trooper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and he's a all-time follower of the channel. So thank you for the recommendation. So we were talking about what's to do in the area. Right next to the campground, there is a beautiful winery.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You can go there for dinner and get a nice cheese plate there, right?
I don't remember looking at a menu.
Okay.
So we stopped in, but with 4 children, we didn't stay very long because there were too many bottles of glass that our kids could be touching. So, but it was very beautiful, and I was like, oh, we should come back here, minus the children.
Yeah, there is like a butcher shop just maybe 2 miles down the road. We got some goodies for grilling at the campground. We had a great time.
Yeah.
Other things to do in the area, if you like hiking and nature, this is a great spot. It's pretty close to the Appalachian Trail, so you can go for a very good hike.
It's near Hawk Mountain, which is a great place to go hiking too, especially with kids.
Yeah.
I think they have it's been years since I've been there, but they have like a nature center there. There's also Crystal Cave, which we've been to before. Mm-hmm. There's Cabela's.
But this time we were not able to get into Crystal Cave, right?
Right. You needed to sign up in advance, and when we wanted to go, the slots were already full. So sign up in advance.
Yeah. And there is also a huge Cabela's nearby, which not only you can boondock there if you prefer, but there's a lot to see there. They have like a little restaurant and a lot of restaurants in the area, but there is so much to see at that Cabela's that you can easily spend a whole morning there. Yeah.
Which I'm pretty sure we did.
Yeah.
So yeah, overall, I think we had a good time here. It was definitely nice because we had family, and when you have family around, you always find some stuff to do, amenities or no amenities. So I think we had a great time there.
Yeah, we recommend it. It's clean, it's small, but really well kept. It's my friend who recommended this place says, I don't know if I want to tell you because then you're going to put it in the channel. It's kind of my wife's and my little secret. So sorry, it's out there now. So yeah, pretty simple, short review for you today. Go check it out if you're in the area.
Yeah, I think that's it.
All right, guys, we have quite a few more reviews coming up. So stay tuned. We'll see you later.